bwo chenro mar UHC odhi nyime gi ng'anyo margi kawuono e boma ma Kapsabet, kaunti ma Nandi. Jochiw thieth go mawuok e kauntis abiriyo mag Hoho mar Okak oriwore mar dhi nyime kod kwedo sirikal mamalo ka gidwaro mondo mi ondik gi tich e yo maongirore. Gilaro ni gisebedo ka gitiyo e yor orak kuom thuolo malach. Sani koro ka giseyo sirikal kuom dhi ataro mar winjruok margi, wacho ni sani onego bed ni osendik gi e tich. Gisingo mar koso dok e tich nyaka chieng' manotimre.
We are not going back to work until this government hears us. Waliallocate supplementary budget, hiyo pesa ikapotea. We have been petitioning this government through National Assembly, Senate, to the Public Service Commission, to the MOH, who is our employer also, but they have done nothing. This time round, we decided to go on strike and demonstrate to ensure that the whole country knows that there is 571 UHC staff that are on strike and are not going to work because they have been on contract for the past 5 years.
We are just requesting the government to absorb us na tupewe gratitude yetu, na pia wanatukata NSSF but hatuna remittance. Ukienda kuona NSSF zetu hawajazieka, so we were wondering mbona tunakatwa na haziko.
If the government of Kenya is not ready to absorb UHC staff beginning next financial year, then they should give us our gratuity and let us go home. There's no need of us finishing the contract for 6 years, yet we don't see anything coming out. Normally the government, the government puts you in the contract of 3 years, when you are in the second year, they absorb you.